Guess what happened, guys? Guess what happened? Guess what happened? Oh boy. Wrong camera. Story of a blind eye. Well, anyway. What we're going to do today. We're going to talk about TalkBack. We're going to talk about TalkBack, the screen reader found on Android phones. So, what are we going to get into specifically with TalkBack? Well, we'll first talk about, I know, a lot of talking. What is TalkBack? Where can you find it? The Android Accessibility Suite is one place. We'll go into a little bit of the Play Store. We will go look for Android Accessibility Suite. And after we do such things, we will try to go under my Pixel phone settings, under the accessibility settings specifically. And in that setting, what do we want to do there is make sure that it is available to you to press the shortcut buttons. Accessibility shortcuts, right? And what else are we going to learn? Well, you tell me. Because yesterday I uploaded again, wrong camera, so I pulled it back down. I kind of covered it, but I'm more comfortable today. So, what we'll talk about is this Pixel 9 Pro in my hand. Okay. It's locked, unlocked. Okay. And I will go through things with the screen reader since I am using the screen reader to get around on my screen. And when I do such things, we'll dive here and there, so just pay attention to the little itty-bitty things with navigation, how quickly I'm moving about the screen. Maybe you have more questions. I want to break it down. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we got the phone here, okay? Pixel 9 Pro. Now, what does this phone have on it, or buttons-wise and ports-wise and all of that? So, let's see. I have the phone facing you right now, the audience. It is a, hey Google, how big is a Pixel 9 Pro screen?
The Pixel 9 Pro has a 6.3-inch display.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. My assistant, Gemini. Gemini's over here as well. Thanks, Gemini. Anyway, so Pixel phone, Pixel 9 Pro. I don't have the 10 yet. We'll see. Maybe down the road. We'll see. You know, it's really hard in these days, because it's like, okay, should I go Pixel? Should I go Samsung? Because both phones are incredible for Android sakes. Sony, I'm sorry I never got to try any of your phones, but I do hear interesting things. So again, back to the phone. On the left-hand side of this phone, there is no buttons. Flat side. I feel like the price is right. Sorry. All right. So on the right side of the phone, you have a button. Okay. Feels tallish, longish. Then I feel a shorter button. Okay. Feel another short button. Must be family. I think they are. It's called volume up and volume down family. The volume family. All right. Above that, we call this key many different things. So what do you want to call it? Call it a side key. You may call it, maybe not side key, but you may call it power key. Yeah. If you'd like. Power side, one of those keys that has multiple functions. Reason why I say multiple functions is if I held the power key or that side key, I can summons Gemini. So, how should I do that? Let's see. What's the weather like in New York today?
In New York, the forecast is around 35 degrees and clear.
Eek.
Currently, it's 37 and cloudy.
Shout out to my friends and peeps up in New York. Love y'all. So, as we heard, you heard what it can do. You heard this thing talk to me.
Tuesday, December 2nd.
Right. Well, what is it? It's called TalkBack. TalkBack, talk backs to you. It doesn't talk back at you. It talks for you. Well, sort of. It talks and tells you what's on the screen. Where would I find this TalkBack? Right? Well, let's break it down just a little bit more. Pixel phones will typically have TalkBack installed, pre-installed, and they are installed through the Android Accessibility Suite app. Okay? The Android Accessibility Suite app also has the Select to Speak app. Now, what is Select to Speak? Select to Speak is like taking a small section of your screen, maybe a text message or a paragraph, and like drawing a little circle around it, let's say.
Home screen 1 of 2. Home.
And with that circle, what have you, you
Google.
can
Home.
now get speech from whatever is being read on that screen. So as you just heard my phone interrupt us here and there, it's pretty kind of a phone, trust me, it doesn't interrupt that bad. But what it does for us is it allows us to have a way of knowing, for one, what is on the screen, and two, having control of the screen when it's in your hands, right? So preventing it from talking a lot. Talking when you needed to talk to. So if I'm
68 degrees in home screen. Sound home screen 1 of 2. Unity intercom. Home screen 1 of 2.
a lot of stuff, right?
Actions available. Swipe up or swipe.
Okay, so let's go to Play Store. On the iOS side, you would download your apps from the App Store. On the Android side, they download these apps from the Play Store. So that is your app library of sorts.
Discord.
So let's find it.
Play Store.
There it is. It's on my home
Double
screen.
tap to
And
page. 859
I'm quickly going to go
search,
through it
tab,
first.
search,
So
Play
I'm going to
Store,
search.
selected,
Let's search for
HBO Max
Android.
voice search, search apps and games.
Okay, Android accessibility.
Double
Let's
A,
try that.
Alpha, A, K,
All right,
Kilo,
let's see.
K, M, my N, B, N, N, D, D, R, E, E, delete, 3, E, X, R, R, P, O, 9, O, 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 I, E,
D.
Echo, W, S, D, and space,
Okay, accessibility. Let's see if I can spell this right.
A, C, 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 R, E, D, S, 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 8, U, uniform, I, O, I, access. Search for Android Accessibility Suite. In list 5 items.
Okay, well,
Windows
it's the
showing
first
search
item, so I'm going to
Search
tap
for Android.
that. Okay,
Keyboard hidden.
what do we get?
Play Store. Navigate up. Button. Out of list. Double. Speechify. Voice AI Assistant. Android Accessibility.
Okay, here.
Search Google Play. Voice search. Button. Android Accessibility Suite. Installed. In list.
Okay,
15 items.
it's installed,
Double tap to activate.
but
Double tap and hold
it's
to
already
long
installed
press.
because in any Pixel device, this will already come pre-installed. Secondly, on the Galaxy phones, which I have a Galaxy phone here. Remember the words. Galaxy phone. Galaxy. Remember that. So you would get TalkBack from the Galaxy Store. Make sense? Galaxy, Samsung. And then how many other Play Stores and other stores of app stores are there? Well, technically 2, right? Samsung Store, well, Galaxy Store, and the Play Store. However, we do have other blind phones in the mix, the Blind Shell and stuff like that. They have a different shop, store, app store. A little complex for my liking. Not complex, but do I really need to manage all these other stores? Did we not learn from the Amazon store what happened to it? The same. Why can't we just not be in one clean ecosystem and work together for more accessibility? Anyhow. Going back to
Here are
the
some
phone.
things you can say. Copy.
So, okay, let's...
Use voice commands to control TalkBack.
Right. Ooh, we're going to come back to that one. You heard what it said?
Here are some things you can say. Copy. Use voice commands to control TalkBack.
I'm going to come back to that one another time. Maybe after the next video. Maybe tomorrow. Because today is a 2-for-1. Tuesdays. Because yesterday you just messed up. Sorry. It didn't mess up all the way, but this is probably shorter. So, we got TalkBack. TalkBack is there. Everything is cool. TalkBack's within our phone. You're hearing it talk
Here are some things you can say.
back.
Copy.
Okay.
Home. Photos.
Now let's go to settings real quick.
Notification shade.
So I'm going to swipe down from the top with 2 fingers twice.
settings.
And
Tuesday.
I'm going to go look for settings at the bottom right corner. Let's see where my fingers are. Take my finger.
Silence. John.
Okay.
Power menu. Double tap. Open settings.
There it is.
Settings. Search
I got
settings.
settings open.
Double
Now,
tap to activate.
to make it stop, quick tip. 2 fingers on the screen. Shh. That's what it does, right? 2 fingers on the screen again. It's probably going to want to talk. Let's try it out. Nope. Nope. Anyway, so quick tip. TalkBack and all of that accessibility stuff is number 26. Shh, don't tell nobody. Never mind. You'll hear it. So watch.
Apps. Assistant. Recent apps. Default apps. 7 of 27. In list. 27
7
items.
of 27
Double tap to
items, right?
activate.
So there's some items. Quick tip here. 2 fingers. It's a magic watch. You go from the bottom of the screen. You swipe upwards with 2 fingers. Watch.
Volume and haptics.
Doot,
9 of
doot,
27.
doot.
Double tap to activate. Storage. 72% used.
see.
71.49. Backup or copy data. Backup data. Bring data from another
Not
system. Languages.
Done
Gestures.
all the way.
Time. Backup. Passwords. Passkeys. Digital well-being.
you hearing that little doot 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 doot, that little sound? It's letting me know how much to scroll. I'm not looking at the phone, by the way, right? I'm looking at you guys, I think.
Accessibility.
Over there.
Display. Interaction. Audio. 26 of
Over there.
27. Double tap to
You over
activate.
there. I see you. I see you. Anyway, I'm at 26 of 26. How do I know that? Let's check.
Accessibility. Display. Interaction. Audio. 26 of 27.
26 of
Double tap to
27.
activate.
Just know that the last item is about your phone support, well care, stuff like that. Let's swipe right just to double check.
Device health and support.
Health
Make
and
sure your
support.
device is
Blah,
running
blah,
at
blah,
its
blah.
best. 27
Right.
of 20.
So, okay, we'll go to accessibility.
Display, interaction audio.
How do I get there? I
26 of
swipe left and
27.
right. So I'm going to tap
Double
with 1
tap to
finger.
active. Accessibility. Navigate.
that.
Button.
All right, I'm in this menu now.
Double
If I
tap.
swipe right,
Downloaded apps. Heading.
tells me,
Lookout. Explore
like, Lookout
physical
is an app that I
environment.
downloaded.
2 of
That's
35.
true.
Magnifier.
Magnifier
camera
for
to
your low
enlarge and
vision
examine
friends.
details around you.
Really
3
cool
of
app.
35.
Uses a lot of Gemini
Double tap
stuff.
to
Just
activate.
saying.
Screen reader. Heading. 4 of 35.
So screen reader, that is what TalkBack is, right? It's similar to whatever you find with JAWS on a computer, like a PC, NVDA on a PC, or VoiceOver on any Apple Mac products. So,
TalkBack. On. Use a screen
okay,
reader to hear items spoken
da.
about. Display.
So what I want to
6
do
of
here is
35.
there's 35 items. I want to go almost at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to just swipe a little bit fast just to kind of give you a little what's here, what's there.
Display size and text. 7
There's
of 35.
display
Color and
stuff.
motion. 8 of 35.
You might want to do color
Double tap.
inversion.
Extra dim. Dim. Off. Extra dim. Switch.
You might be light
Double
sensitive.
tap.
So
Magnification.
dim
Off. Select
magnification
to
for
speak.
low vision.
Off. Quick access. Heading. Simple view. Improve text legibility and simplify screen layout and navigation.
That
13
too.
of 35. Interaction
A
controls.
lot of this stuff is self-explanatory, but I'm going to go
Off.
all the way
Light.
to the bottom
Switch
by
access.
just, again,
Off control device
2
with
fingers at
switches
the
or
bottom
facial
and then
gestures. 18 of
swipe
35.
up really fast kind of thing.
Live transcribe. Convert speech
Okay,
to
light transcribe.
flash notification. Audio adjustment. 30. Accessibility shortcuts. 34 of 35. Text to speech output. 35
That's
of
the last
35.
item. Text to
Double
speech,
tap to
right? So this
activate.
person, the woman voice that you're hearing, the woman's voice rather, that is my voice preferred right now. I could understand it a little bit better. The guy's voice, gentleman voice are not bad. Give it a whirl. You might see in another video. But anyway,
Accessibility
I want you to go
shortcuts,
to
34 of 35.
accessibility shortcut.
Double
Just
tap to
double
activate.
check something. Okay.
Accessibility shortcuts.
So I
Navigate
highlighted
up
it.
Button. Out
Once
of
it's
list.
highlighted and focused, I double
Double
tap
tap to
with one
activate.
finger. I double tapped and activated. Like the phone said. Anyway,
Accessibility button. To use this, turn on the accessibility button shortcut on an accessibility features page. Disabled. 1 of 2. In list. 2 items.
sure.
Volume keys shortcut from lock screen. Allow feature shortcut to turn on from the lock screen. Hold both volume keys for a few seconds. On. Switch 2 of 2.
Remember we were
Double
talking
tap
about
to
that?
activate.
Oh, I'm trying to explain how to use it. Calm down. Okay, sorry. You remember when earlier we were saying, turn on TalkBack. How do I turn on TalkBack? How do I turn on these apps? How do I turn on Select to Speak? How do I turn on magnification? How do I turn it on, Hershey? I'll tell you. It's in here. It's right here. Shortcut menu. If you hold the volume key up and down, you could set it to your heart's desire and content. I set mine to TalkBack. So again, let's try that out, okay? Watch. Did you hear that?
TalkBack on. Accessibility shortcuts. Navigate up. TalkBack off.
And breathe.
TalkBack on. Accessibility
breathe.
shortcuts. TalkBack off.
And breathe. And breathe.
TalkBack on. TalkBack off.
Okay, maybe not like that. But I'm just holding these buttons. The volume up, the volume down. Okay? Volume up, volume down. Pressing together. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3.
TalkBack on. Accessibility
1,
shortcuts.
2, 3.
TalkBack off.
1, 2, 3.
TalkBack on.
1 Mississippi,
Accessibility
2
TalkBack
Mississippi.
off.
Okay. And just saying it. Okay. Remember that earlier I told you I could do stuff with this button, the side key, power key, magic key. Turn off TalkBack. Wake up.
Talk.
I could do it faster that way.
I can set a reminder or alarm for you.
Turn off TalkBack.
TalkBack off.
I've turned off TalkBack for you.
Turn on TalkBack.
TalkBack on.
Woohoo!
Gemini. Utilities.
Thank you, Gemini
Double
Cricket.
tap.
Gemini.
Home.
Okay, so
68 degrees and
we
18
done did, right? So we went to TalkBack. No, we didn't. We went to the Play Store first. And we just saw that, yeah, it's there. But if you have a Google Pixel phone or even a Samsung phone, you already have TalkBack installed. Turn it on. Use it. I'm going to go break down more of the TalkBack journey. Next video coming up real shortly. Like, wait, I don't have a watch. I need to get a watch. Hey, guess what? Watches have a screen reader too. You know? It's called TalkBack. Yeah. Yeah, so, sorry. I just had to say that. You have TalkBack everywhere around you if you have Android. So, don't fear. Oh, will my watch talk to me? Will my watch... Yes, it will. I never ended up getting a new watch, like the Google Pixel 4 watch or Samsung's watches. I think we're at like number 7 or 8 or I forget the number of watch we are at. I think it's number 8, maybe 7, maybe 8. I don't know. But point being is TalkBack is everywhere in that speech. To give you speech, I will give you another voice real quick. Right? Different voice. Right? A little bit fast. Right? But fast, slow, here we go. You tell me what you want to know. Okay? So, TalkBack, screen reader, I use. You use? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. TalkBack is good to use even if you're low vision because you may be losing your sight. And if you practice early, it's the factor of knowing your gestures. So again, I'm going to break down the gestures. We're going to go to TalkBack settings. We're going to go check out a few different things. But this is how to go get TalkBack. All right? Well, stay tuned. Might just make another video right after this because it's a double up for Tuesday because this video got messed up. So, my bad. I saw you. I tried to put one out yesterday and it's out. Still out. More questions, more thoughts. Put them in the comments. Subscribe. Likey. Peace. Love. Audio. Namaste.